If you use different recruitment procedures depending on your industry or position type, you're likely to have different processes for each of your pipelines. If you would like to have different recruitment stages for different jobs, then click on Menu, Settings, Pipeline Settings, and select Use Multiple Pipelines. This will create a new menu item called Pipelines, which you can select to manage your different pipelines. On this page, you will be able to see your default pipeline with all of the positions you have created thus far, with how many applications are at which stage of the process. If you would like to create a new pipeline, then you can do so by clicking on Actions, Create Pipeline. You'll have to name your pipeline and click on Create. Your new pipeline has now been created, and you will be able to create new job listings under this pipeline. This is especially useful when you're recruiting for different teams, different departments, or different clients. From this dashboard, you will be able to click on your roles and review each individual pipeline. You can select them both here, the default one as well as the new one we've just created. Each pipeline will then be able to be selected to see all the different jobs that are under that pipeline. By clicking on Actions, you will be able to rename it, create a new pipeline, or share access to that pipeline. To do so, click on Share Access and enter the email address of the person you would like to share access with. This is very useful when you're going on leave or when you need to share your progress with your management or perhaps with a client. If you need to stop sharing, click on Delete and they will no longer be able to see what you see. Similarly, with your job listings under that particular pipeline, you'll be able to select which job you'd like to look at and then take certain actions. You can share access, and the person that you share access with will only be able to see that one particular job listing. You can create a new job, edit it, clone it, or archive that job so it's no longer visible on a database and people will no longer be able to apply for it. Creating multiple pipelines is very easy and useful, especially if you need to have different recruitment stages for different positions you're hiring for.